Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the TeamWolf Zhuque gaming keyboard with special change it yourself mechanical switches and cool LED backlight. Check backlit.com for more info. So first let me go back and start out with the full unboxing. I will try to do this quick so you don't get bored. It comes in a black box with a lot of stickers and cool logos. The first impression is quite professional. It even also features real CE, FCC and other approved logos. The white sticker on the back tells us something about the design and features inside. So let's open up the box. First we have a user guide on how to operate and use the special features. Then we have some extra switches and inserts. And there's also a special tool, let's call it a key switch puller, so you very easy can remove the switches from the board. And here you see the USB connector. It looks to be in a pretty good quality. And now to the keyboard itself. Let me first show it from different angles and sides. In the bottom we have some extra plastic feet and some specifications. Next let me try to press the keys so you can hear how loud the clicking noise is. Perfect for gamers, but probably annoying for people who just want to use it for text typing. But hey, then you should not get a gaming keyboard. Here we see it says TeamWolf. The housing is made of some kind of metal, and to the right we see it says CIY. Okay, let's try this in the dark. First I'm going to demonstrate the different LED modes. They are pretty cool. And this one fades. The next one is scrolling down the keys. Then we also have a light off mode. Just the Windows key will stay up. And here a custom style I made myself. You can program up to 3 different styles. The brightness can also be controlled. And here also some pre-configured styles like RTS and FPS. Perfect for example for first-person shooter. And let me now try to program a custom one. You just have to press the FN+1 and then FN plus escape to start the recording. Let me remove a keycap and also a switch. Underneath we find a SMD LED. And let me try out one of the green ones. Unfortunately, it is not possible to move the colors around, so they will stay where they are. Okay, so here in the end I will just tell you some of my personal pros and cons. To the pros are that it has LED backlight in the keys, it's very affordable, the switches can be swapped, and the included caps are very good. To the cons are that the backlight colors are static, so you can't move the colors. You cannot turn off the LED for the Windows key. This one will always light up. And the LED backlight won't shine through black switch housings, so you need to use some that are clear. The conclusion is that the keyboard looks cool. It is nice to use and let you customize a lot of stuff and swap switches like you want. The quality is fine for the price, so I can recommend it for people who want something funny and special.